Ich muss wieder raus. Bin in der Ukraine, in Transkarpatien. Und dieses Video wird auf Englisch sein, weil es für Pinewood in der Schweiz ist, der nicht so gut Deutsch kann. This video is going to be for Pinewood CH, so I'm going to do it in English. I have to go out. I'm in the city. It's the 31st of December and I need to just go out into nature. This traffic is just too much for me. The city is too much for me. Finally, I'm out and into the direction of the river. So I already collected some stones, some flat stones and some firewood that I found here hanging in the bushes. So I'm going to go and prepare everything, and then I'm going to be back. I'll just take a glimpse. It's not the Swiss Alps, it's just the Transcarpathian mountains here. Over to the left we have Romania, and in my back to the east we have the Ukraine. So now I have to try to get this going. I have a bird's nest here. Let's see if I can have a good stand. Oh. It's for me always very hard when I just use natural trimmer that I found myself. There we go. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Let me just put the camera away for a second so I can get this fire really going here, because I don't want it to go out. So I just needed 2 hands. Just let me see how hopefully it's going now. It's so damp, it's not really a flame yet. Ah, there we go. There we go. It's hard with one hand to hold the camera. There we go. Switch hands here. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, the bird's nest is quite damp. Some more of the seeds. I built this oven here. I think I need to blow a little bit more. It's so smoky, I don't see anything. stop there for a moment and blow this into flames. There we go. Alrighty then. There we go. Now it's going. I hope so. I really, really hope. But it's still whistling of the wet wood. But I think this is going. So, yes, thanks to God, it's going. So, while my oven is heating up, I will make the pizza. It's none toward like lazy pizza. Just show you the surroundings a little bit still. Yes, it's a lazy pizza. How do I explain it? I take 4 to 6 toasts, put them in this little tin, decorated everything, and put some onions on it, some there I have paprika and cheese, put everything on there. Just get this away. And put some cheese on it, and then I put it into this oven on top of the amber. Yeah, well, we see then. I will prepare this now, and I'll give you an update then. Unbelievable what I'm going to see there. There's actually some people just went into this river. Well, let me get back to my oven and my pizza. While the oven is getting hotter and hotter, I'll finish off the pizza preparation with the cheese. So I'll do a lot of these curls. I had to take off my jacket because the fire is so hot and the stones distribute the heat quite good. Okay, if you hear some noise, it's some people trying out their Sylvester gear. Okay, when I'll put the pizza into the oven, I will check back with you. So now I separated the coals. You see they are still glowing, a layer of this. I put in the pizza. And now I'll do a little bit of fire on top still to have reflecting, a little bit more reflecting heat. I decided I needed more heat from the top, so I put aluminium foil on top of the pizza to protect it. Then I put quite some greenish big branches. Here you see it on top of the rim, and on top of that I built the new fire with some coals that were still here in the edge, and now I hear the cheese bubbling, so this is good. I'll take it out in a few minutes. I will keep you updated. So, this is the result. It's steamy, it smells good, and even you said we're allowed to do a little fail. As you see, some of the ember happened to fall down through the green sticks, but it worked out. So let me and the heat from down on there was a little bit too hot. The coals were still too active, but it was good to try that. Let me see if I can get it out. Oh, it's hot. Where's my fork? Here it is. A little cake fork I always have in my backpack. Yeah, it's hot. Well, it's so hard to film with one hand and do the other thing. Well, you get the idea. So, bon appetit. No. I was waiting for this so long. Bye bye.